What does it mean to be a man? This question drives more social processes around the world than you could possibly imagine.
From wars and climate change to topics like education, media and sexuality, ideas about masculinities are part of it all.
For example, why is it that some boys seem to be falling behind in school, yet many scientific fields like engineering and mathematics are still male-dominated?
How does the media contribute to reinforcing or perhaps challenging what it means to be a boy or a man? Why is violence so closely associated with masculinity?
In this free online course, we're going to examine issues and debates around men, boys and masculinities, and provide you with some answers to these questions and many, many more.